Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the display or theme area so you can act immediately. Tap and hold an empty spot on the home screen. When the quick menu appears, choose Settings or Themes. Once done, make sure your battery is above 10% and that you're online if a download is required. You're preparing the system to list theme options and to prevent interruptions. This reduces failure during installation and speeds up the next steps. Now you browse themes and inspect details before applying. Scroll categories or use search to find a style, then tap a theme to preview how wallpapers, icons, and widgets change. Make sure the preview shows layouts you like and check compatibility with your OS version or launcher. If variants exist, compare light versus dark versions. Once you see a suitable example, you can proceed confidently because you've verified both aesthetics and technical fit. Apply the chosen theme and allow the launcher to update. You'll see the home screen refresh automatically. If parts don't update, restart the launcher or reboot the device to force a refresh. Make sure to back out and reapply if an install fails. If visual glitches continue, clear the theme or launcher cache, then re-download the theme. These steps fix corrupted assets and ensure the system replaces old resources with the new theme correctly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.